Hello guys, and the teachers will remind us about how to do a linear regression using auto data that is available online, and maybe we can browse the data types available. We can see these are the data sets that we have for the auto. This is actually the auto data set. Then we want to run some regression on this data to see some of the determinants of price. And you can see these are, we have make, we have price, we have MPG, MPG, we have headroom, we have trunk, weight, length, turn, displacement, gear ratio, and terrain. So we want to see how all these variables are interrelated, how these variables affect price. So we want to do some regression on this data. So now we know that we have the data there. So our command for regression is reg. Our dependent variable is price, and then we have a list of independent variables that we have over there. We can copy all of them, maybe up to length or displacement, or we just copy all of them and place them after price, paste them over there, and then press enter. Great, this is great. So you can see our output of the model. So many things you can see. This is actually the p-value for the model, and these are the p-value for each variable. We have our dependent variable price. We have our independent variables over here. We have our coefficients, and again we have our p-values over here, and even the confidence intervals. So the most important thing here to understand how to interpret this table. How do you interpret this table? That's the most important thing. Let's look at the level of significance for each variable. Like on the p-values, you can see, is there any variable that is significant over here? You can use weight is significant, and we talk about significance when it is actually below 0. When the p-value is below 0.05. When we talk about highly significant is below 0.05, as it tends towards 0. So you can see the weight is very, very significant over here. Is there any other that is significant? I can see all other p-values are actually above 0.05. Or there we have the length. So the price is more affected by the weight and the length. You can see the way the p-value for the weight is 0.03, and the p-value for the length, vehicle length, is 0.026. So a vehicle price will actually be high when it is heavier, and when it is actually shorter, because from the coefficients, as the length of the vehicle increases by 1 unit, actually the price reduces by a negative value as indicated. So that is what is important in the table. At least you know how to do a simple regression. We can do that is basically how we run our regression in Stata. Thank you.